Hey, thanks for coming to check out another tutorial. Today's tutorial is with Harlem 25 hair. I did get this on Amazon. It's the Kima Braid Ripple Deep. And then I also used the Toyotress Toceana Wavy locks. Today I did a bohemia style that has the curly hair and the crochet locks together. I saw this on Sabrina's beauty page on Instagram. I'll link it down below so you guys can check out her version of this. This is my version. I left a braid in the front for leave out, and then I just did straight back braids going straight back. And then I had two braids going directly across the nape of my neck to relieve the tension off the nape of my neck. So it's a very simple braid pattern, you guys, and it's just very straightforward. So I went ahead and grabbed the Kima braid hair first. This is the Ripple Deep in 20 inch in a 1B. Both colors are 1B. And I went ahead and start crocheting that just as normal. Just putting the crochet needle through the braid, then pulling the hair through and double knotting it. Then I started pulling the hair apart because I did want the hair to have more of a fluffy look and I wanted to use less hair. I find I use a lot less hair when I pull the hair apart. So I put about 3 or 4 pieces in the back, and then I added in one lock in between each of those pieces of hair. Now I did find that that was not full enough, so I ended up adding a little more locks to the nape of my neck, but I just wanted to start off kind of moderate to see how it was looking, get a feel for this style, and then kind of fill in as I moved up my head. I also wanted to remind you guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, you're giving the videos a thumbs up. It super helps me out with this crazy YouTube algorithm. If you like quick weaves, if you like crochet videos and tutorials, wig reviews and styling hauls, then definitely subscribe to the channel because I have a lot of that coming for you guys. So here's where I realized, like, okay, I think I want a little more hair at the nape of my neck. So I just lifted the hair up and just added a few locks to give my hair a little more fullness at the back. So this is what it's looking like, about a little less than halfway done. I had used 1 pack of the Ripple Deep hair, and I had used 2 packs of the crochet locks. So this is the density that you're gonna have about, halfway through your head. Again, there's really no rhyme or reason to where I'm putting the hair and the locks, but I will say I kind of work in rows, and so while I'm working in rows, I kind of put hair, then lock, then hair, then lock, but I keep it spacey because I didn't want this to get too full and thick. I want it to be full and fluffy, but I don't want it to be full and dense, if that makes sense. So in the front, on the top 5 or 6 braids, I start using the invisible crochet knot technique, which is where you just pull one end of the crochet hair through, you loop it around twice and knot it off that way, so the hair kind of disguises the knot. I use that on the top like 4 or 5 braids just to give it a little more of an illusion or an invisible type of look. Then I just continue putting the locks every so often. At the top, I didn't put a whole lot of locks because, like I said, I didn't want to weigh the style down, but I did want the locks to be visible. So this is the last braid I need to cover, and I pretty much ended up using 4 packs of the crochet locks. It comes as an 8-pack, so I only used half. And then I ended up using 3.5 packs of the Kima Ripple Deep, and that comes in a 4-pack, so I used almost all of that. So this is pretty much the end result. All I have to do is take out my leave out in the front, brush that out, put on some makeup, and show you guys the reveal. I really ended up loving this style. It really turned out the way I expected. Oh, this is my baby hair bonnet. It does hold a lot of hair. It's great for crochets and braids because it holds a lot of hair. It's the extra large size, and it lays your baby hairs down while you sleep, so your hair looks really tame and ready to go in the morning. So this is what the hair is looking like. I did my makeup, threw on an outfit and some jewelry. That jewelry is coming to my website soon. A lot of people have been asking about my jewelry. I do have a manufacturer that I work with, and I think I'll be adding it to my website soon. So stay tuned to GLEEmade.com for that. I went ahead and took out my leave out. Now I know it looks like I have a perm or relaxer. I do not. I flat ironed my hair before I even did this style, so my hair is very straight. I meant to mist it with a little water so that it would blend better, but I forgot to do that. I just got so engulfed with how good the hair looked, I totally forgot that step. I also didn't do any baby hairs for this look, but I'm not hating on it. Like, I like how it looks without the baby hairs. So this is the end result, you guys. I am so impressed with this style. I'm so grateful that Sabrina posted this on her page. I will link her Instagram down below. Tell me what you guys think about this style, if you would wear this style or not. I was a little on the fence if it would suit me because I'm not a real like boho, bohemian type of girl. I will say I like more like organized, simple styles that just look, you know, more clean and neat. And boho tends to be a little messy, a little disjointed, but I'm kind of feeling this. So let me know what you guys think. I really like how versatile this hairstyle is as well. Even though I just did straight back braids, it's very versatile and you can flip the hair and have different parting sections, and it looks pretty good. I think I will try this again with my individual versatile braid pattern. I was being a little lazy today, so I didn't do that. Actually, I just used a braid pattern that I had used before. That's why I didn't do the invisible one. But I think I will try it again. Let me know what hair you'd like to see if I try this style again with locks mixed with curly hair, and I'll definitely try to do that for you guys. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and you're giving me a thumbs up. It super helps me with this crazy YouTube algorithm. And sometimes YouTube is unsubscribing people. So if you are subscribed, just make sure that you still are, because that's been happening a lot lately as well. All right, you guys, thank you so much for stay tuned to the video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Comment something to me down below so I can talk to you guys and we can get a conversation started. I'll talk to you all soon. Peace.